Hey guys, this is Tim at Quack Rec. Today we are going to show you how to wire up a rear rack on your Can-Am Defender. These are going to be a couple steps. Really all you're going to need is a heat shrink gun, a set of strippers, and that's really about it. Maybe a small socket set just to get your ring terminals tight. But today we're going to show you how to get this done. So let's go ahead and dump our bed and let's start. Alrighty. And now that you've got your bed dumped, you can see here your wiring is running out the bed. At this point, all you have to do is come along the frame rail where your other wiring is, zip tie it up there. It's going to feed through next to the battery into the cab. Alrighty guys, now that you've got your wiring from your rear rack into the cab, you're going to notice you have a red, black, and a yellow. Super simple here. You're going to have two ring terminals for your positive and your negative, and then a butt connector for your extended yellow wire. That's all you're going to need to do. Your positive, negative, simply go to the battery. That's all. Alrighty guys, so now that we are up in the front of the cab, you can see that we have got our extended yellow wire. We went ahead and pulled our wiring out. Sometimes on these machines they're tucked up. Super simple. These wires here are going to be your accessory wires that feed up to your switch. At this point, any of these wires that you choose will work. For today's example, we're just going to use this blue with a white stripe. Your bullet connector is just going to slip in here. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So we're going to move on to the next step. Alrighty guys, so now that you've got your switch panel pulled back here, you can see that those wires that we were talking about in the floor are going to be back here. All you're going to have to do is locate your blue with a white stripe, the one that we used in the floorboard. This is where your switch is now going to come into hand. Obviously, for right now, we're not going to focus on our positive and negative. We have two wires coming off of the back. Your yellow wire is going to get a ring terminal put on it. This is going to go to your bus bar for your power. And then you're going to have another bullet connector here on your white wire. So that wire that you connected your yellow wire to is going to just plug in. Simple as that. You're going to run your negative to your bar, and then you're going to run your yellow and your red to your positive. And at this point, your rear rack switch is wired up, and you've now got power to your rear rack. Thank you guys.
And I'm feeling good.